Hi, this is part one of a four-part series demonstrating how to find journal articles in an academic database. Hi there, this video introduces the use of an academic database. If you use the internet, you use databases frequently. When you search in Google, you're using their database. If you use Amazon to find any products, you're using their database. If you go to Expedia to look for travel arrangements, you're using their database. The library subscribes to many different databases, and we'll use one called Academic Search Premier as an example. Academic Search Premier is an academic database of a type called a periodical or article index. These contain periodicals such as magazines, journals, or newspapers. There are other types of resources in other databases, such as videos, here's Films on Demand, dissertations, this is ProQuest Dissertations and Thesis, and ebooks, such as ProQuest eBook Central. But today we're going to stick with journals and magazines. We will look for the articles with academic content you could utilize for your classes or personal use. Let's go to Academic Search Premier and take a look at the search interface and see how it works. We will do a search for articles that deal with teaching about nutrition to high school students. Start on the library website at library.wcsu.edu. In the Databases box, click on My Subject link. On the left side of the page is a list of subjects. You could select the subject to find databases relevant to that subject. On the right side of the page, there's a list titled Periodical Article Indexes with Academic Search Premier at the top of the list. Academic Search Premier is a general subject database. It contains journals and magazines from a variety of subject areas: history, English, education, psychology, sociology, sciences, nursing, health and medicine, business, marketing, and so on. Academic Search Premier contains records for articles in nearly 18,000 journals and magazines, of which nearly 16,000 are peer-reviewed. Remember, peer review is the process by which experts in the field of study review and critique articles to make sure that they meet standards of the journal and of the field in which they are published. Of those 18,000 journals and magazines, there is full-text content for about 5,000 of them right in the database. Usually this means there is a PDF of the article. For the other 13,000 results, there will be records containing citation info, subjects, and usually an abstract, but not the full text. So you need to look elsewhere for the article, which usually means using interlibrary loan or, in some cases, a tool called Get It Now. Another tool called Journal Finder will help locate the article. We'll look at that in part 4 of the series.